Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. I am Mujibur Rahman, Naib Amir, Bangladesh Jamaat Islami. I have attended your grand conference of Jamaat Islami, Pakistan. Alhamdulillah, your arrangement is quite okay. Alhamdulillah. I think this will be the historical evidence for Jamaat Islam. Particularly, conference is not only sitting, eating, and talking. This is not the main theme. The main theme, what we have earned in this conference, from this conference. Yesterday, I have seen the location of the Minar-e-Pakistan. I have told in my comment, in my speech, that Minar-e-Pakistan should be the Pakistan Minar-e-Islam. Once upon a time, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was asked by a man, what will be the constitution of Pakistan? He raised a copy of the Holy Quran and told, this Holy Quran shall be the constitution of Pakistan. But unfortunately, we have not seen that there is not a single law prevail in Pakistan as a Sharia law of Quran and Sunnah. We hope this should be done in Pakistan. Pakistan Jamaat Islami Pakistan try to establish the law of the Holy Quran and Sunnah in Pakistan. So it is the duty of Jamaat Islami Pakistan to make Pakistan an Islamic country where the law and order comes from the Holy Quran. This is the general expectation all over the world of Muslim Ummah. Very important country. Pakistan is very important country for Muslim Ummah. We hope Jamaat Islami can do it. Especially Jamiat-e-Talab of Pakistan is very strong student union, student organization. That is the student section of Jamaat Islami Pakistan. As like Bangladesh Jamaat Islami try to establish the Holy Quran and Sunnah in Bangladesh. And the student union, students section is called Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir. Alhamdulillah, you have seen that after July Revolution in 5th August 2024, there is a great change in Bangladesh, alhamdulillah. The whole nation is demanding the justice. We want for justice. Thousands and hundreds of students, they have sacrificed their life. They are wounded. They have lost their eyes, their hands, their legs. Many of them are still in hospital. At the cost of their blood and sacrifice, they want justice in Bangladesh. Alhamdulillah, you have seen a few days before, 4 university election, central student election, Dhaka University, Jahangirnagar University, Chittagong University, and Rajshahi University. Alhamdulillah, Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir has got landslide victory, all these universities. Alhamdulillah. So I hope in Pakistan, likewise, they can go in future, inshallah. I congratulate especially Amir Jamaat, Hafiz Quran, Engineer Naimur Rahman, and the central leaders arranged historical arrangement and historical conference.